GitHub Copilot is the most used AI developer tool in the world. Since its release, it's been a useful addition to developers everywhere, helping generate code from comments and saving time. But it's grown so much smarter since then. I want to add an About page to the Contoso wireless app, similar to the support page. In VS Code, I can ask Copilot Chat where to find the routes that are defined. It uses intent detection, identifying that it needs to look across the whole codebase, and because the code has been indexed on GitHub, it finds the relevant file quickly. I'll probably need to create some new files as well as add a few existing ones to add to my About page. So, let's use the new Copilot Edits feature to help make changes in several places at once. I'll ask for the changes I want and reference any relevant files. And just like that, GitHub Copilot has made the changes I need across multiple files with just one request. We can see all of the changes requested in one location, and yeah, they all look good to me. I'll save them all and accept those changes, and there we go, a new About page. GitHub Copilot has long leveraged different large language models for different use cases. But in the past year, we have experienced a boom in high-quality models that excel at different programming tasks. We are now adding developer choice, giving you the flexibility to pick between the latest OpenAI models, as well as a range of industry models. Here, I can ask Anthropic's Claude Sonnet to explain some of the code in our project, and it can quickly get me up to speed. Perfect for when you're working with existing codebases. We are embedding the power of Copilot all across the development workflow to help your team at every step. With GitHub's advanced security features, you can automatically find vulnerabilities in your existing code thanks to code scanning. But better than that, you can now ask Copilot to turn found into fixed. Here, we can see where GitHub Advanced Security has automatically identified a number of security vulnerabilities. Copilot will look into the issue and the information in the GitHub Vulnerability Database to generate a proposed solution. When I click Generate Fix, Copilot generates the suggested code needed to fix the issue for me, dramatically reducing the time and effort needed. You can then submit that code for your engineering team to review and test, dramatically reducing the time it takes to find and fix security issues.